We knew we were moving into a much bigger home. I've always been interested in making our place as beautiful as possible, so I knew I would need some professional help.
Well, our hopes for working with Good Space is just to feel a sense of confidence, knowing that whatever we choose for our spaces that we designate to them, based on our dimensions, we wanted to make the right decisions with color, with fabric. They were able to deliver. We had a good sense of them understanding our taste levels and understanding us with how we live. We were provided with an extensive questionnaire. Typically, when I think of someone asking me several questions, it means that they care. I got that sense right away.
The only thing that we asked them to design around was my grand piano. It's a nice brown color and it's got a bit of an older look. My parents bought it for me when I was 5. When we first saw the Good Space plan, we were really blown away. We were very impressed by the amount of work and effort it obviously took to put it together. They definitely got us. It was beautiful, all the samples and textiles that were displayed to us. I think the Good Space plan is unique because it's like a recipe book that you follow. You're not going to make any serious mistakes that are going to cost money. You have the confidence to buy what will fit into the room properly. You're not going to be floundering out there on your own.
A Good Space is worth every penny. It was dollars well spent.
I mean, it was a good few months, and when it was over, I kind of felt like something was missing in my life.
I love coming home.
It feels really complete, and we're homebodies, so we actually spend a lot of time at home, just admiring everything around us. It's a pleasure to have people over. They love being in the space as well, and it's nice to show off what we've done.
We feel proud.